Okay, slight error. The plug for the CPU fan, APU fan, doesn't go into the system fan port. It goes into the APU fan port, which on this A8E8XM is on the near the northern edge next to the RAM slots. However, I discovered that because I seem to have more, and I haven't put anything else in yet, these are just the ones that come with the cases. I've got more fan plugs than I have sockets. So there's 3 fan ports, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 4 sockets. I now have 3. Oh no, that's audio. Maybe I've made a mistake. Let's hope that both of those run off the same plug. I think they'd do that. And this is Corsair we're speaking about, yeah? They both seem to be, they both look like fan leads. And they both seem to be coming from fans. So I'm now thinking maybe I've got something somewhere that plugs 2 into 1, because that's a gaming case, and the one thing that's a gaming motherboard. The one thing it should have is plenty of cases. But anyway, before I go on to that, I'm going to locate somewhere where you want blood. There you are. One I had originally. That is the audio cable, and the audio cable goes in the audio socket, which is near the audio boost chip, because this has something called true audio. There's a lot of reasons why I went for this board. I think that's it. I hate it when they're like that. It should be like a reassuring click. You'd think that'd give you, that's the right way in. Okay, that's how it goes. That's the HD audio in. There you go, that's that one done.